Have you ever had blackberry lemonade before? Well, I'm going to show you how to take all of these ingredients and make it into this. Let's get started. Oh, and my name is Lance from the Foyager Foods, and first you'll need to get 1 cup of lemon juice. Depending on the size of the lemon, it may take 3 to 4 lemons. I cut them in half and just use my citrus juicer with an attached glass container to extract the juice. Once you have enough juice, just set it aside. Now place a small pot over a stove or a burner. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of fresh blackberries. Bring the ingredients to a boil and stir occasionally. After a few minutes of boiling, use a fork or a potato masher to relieve some of the berries' flavor into the sugar mixture. Make sure the utensil that you use will not scratch your pot. Give it another couple minutes and remove the mixture from the heat once the sugar has dissolved. Once it is dissolved, I set mine on a wire cooling rack to cool down. Once it's slightly cool, get a bowl and strain the seeds from the blackberry mixture using a cheesecloth, a mesh strainer, or a sieve. The blackberry mixture will definitely stain some cheesecloth if you use it, so I use my mesh strainer instead. Slowly pour the mixture into the strainer and use a spatula to force the liquids through the mesh strainer. Discard or compost what can't be used. Pour the blackberry syrup into a big enough pitcher and add the lemon juice and 3 more cups of water. Stir everything together and taste. If it's not sweet enough to your liking, incrementally add more sugar. So I'll also mention that due to the nature of the blackberries, the mixture will be very thick and syrupy. So you can use more water to thin it down. Add some ice to a glass, pour in some of the blackberry lemonade, add some blackberries and lemon for garnish, and there you have it. Blackberry lemonade. So if you love the taste of blackberries, then this drink brings the flavor 100%. So regarding the drinks I've made, I'll put the blackberry lemonade in 3rd place, the pineapple skin tea in 2nd place, and the lemon shake up still takes the top spot at number 1. So check out the previous recipe, the 15 bean soup recipe with smoked neck bones right here or in the description below. And question, what's your favorite blackberry dish? God bless and comment below.